Today, I'm going to revive orchids that were neglected after blooming, becoming dry and weak. With just a few simple steps, you can help them recover, grow new roots, and become healthy again. First, we need to inspect the plant carefully to understand its condition and choose the right way to treat it.
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips.
I remove the dry roots that can no longer absorb nutrients, along with any unhealthy or unnecessary parts from the orchid.
Thanks for being here and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this orchid rescue, please subscribe for more simple growing ideas.
Garlic can be useful in orchid care, so I often use it. Today, I'll combine garlic with coconut water to support the recovery of this orchid. I crush the garlic and mix it with water to create a solution for treating and soaking the orchid before planting. Crushed garlic, when used to soak weak orchids, can help reduce bacteria and fungi, limit root rot, and support faster recovery with stronger new root growth. An interesting step today. I use coconut milk to clean the pine bark before planting the orchid. Coconut milk, when used to soak pine bark, can provide natural nutrients, improve moisture retention, and create a more supportive environment for orchid roots to grow stronger and faster. We should clean and wipe the orchid pot thoroughly to help reduce mold and prevent the spread of harmful pathogens.
We appreciate your support on this orchid recovery journey. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you more easy tips.
After everything is prepared, we can start planting the orchid in the pot so it can develop fully and grow strong. When growing orchids with pine bark, it helps maintain stable moisture without causing waterlogging, allowing the plant to grow more steadily.
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips.
Once the orchid grows new roots, we just need to maintain stable moisture so the plant has the energy to keep developing. What do you think? With weak orchids, we just need proper care and recovery steps to help them grow green and healthy again.
Thank you for watching and supporting this orchid recovery video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can share more helpful plant care tips.